One of the questions which must occur to everyone who sees these videos on Naturist France Deluxe must be, why do the French excel the rest of the world so far in naturism? What is it about French culture that enables the French to be so liberated and so successful? One answer comes to mind quite easily if you walk around the streets of Paris. The French are a nation of people who live for beauty, and whatever their other shortcomings, we can forgive them almost anything for this. France has led the Western world for centuries in all the graces of civilized life. Paris is a world center of architecture, of fashion, of perfumes, and especially of cuisine. Indeed, the very word cuisine is a French word. Most of all, France has been a world leader in art. People come from everywhere to see French painting and sculpture, and foremost among French works of art is the nude. You see nudes everywhere in France, in parks, in museums, along the streets. The French excel in naturism because the nude is a part of their life. Here, for example, is the Palace of Justice, and on its side is the naked figure of Truth holding up a mirror. These men sit and chat in the inimitable French way, and beside them is a whole mural of nudes. The Place de la Bastille, one of the sacred sites of French nationalism, is topped by a nude male figure. The beautiful Luxembourg Gardens, where children play and sail boats, is ornamented by the nude figure of a teenage girl. Nudes are also accepted in advertising. What do men dream about, this poster asks, and answers. And here's an even more seductive nude. This poster advertises a discussion of nudism itself, revealing beautiful naked figures right in the midst of a crowded train station. The Orsay Museum in the center of Paris must be one of the great museums of the world, for it houses many of the greatest works of the Impressionists. The museum was originally a railway station with a hotel, and here is the ballroom of the hotel in magnificent splendor. It contains 18 paintings and sculptures of the human figure, of which 16 are women, 12 of them nude. This charming young girl, for example, represents Dawn. Here's Truth again. And here's a bacchanate in sexual ecstasy. The French do not draw a harsh line between pleasures and everyday living. Even children benefit. A French boy or girl learns to drink wine as they grow up, so they do not rush into the alcoholic frenzies that are so common in more repressive societies. Children accept nudity too, perhaps because sex and sensuality are accepted by French society as a normal part of life. When other societies like our own learn to love beauty and enjoy the simple pleasures of life, perhaps we too will have beautiful naturist resorts enjoyed by children, teenagers, and adults alike.